Ever been stuck in traffic, fuming about the gas guzzlers spewing fumes next to you, and wished for a cleaner, more sustainable future? If you have, then you've likely heard the name Elon Musk. The tech billionaire's name is synonymous with electric vehicles, thanks to his company Tesla. But with Musk's ever-expanding portfolio of ventures, from SpaceX to Neuralink, some might wonder, does Elon Musk even do anything for Tesla anymore? The short answer? Absolutely. But to truly understand the scope of his involvement, we need to delve deeper. While Musk isn't bogged down in the day-to-day operations, he remains a crucial figure for Tesla, acting as its CEO and wielding significant influence over its direction. Let's break it down. First, there's product development. Musk is a visionary leader, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He's heavily involved in shaping Tesla's roadmap, from the design of the iconic Cybertruck to the ambitious goals for full self-driving capabilities. Remember that insanely long Snake Charger unveiled in 2021? That was classic Musk, a glimpse into his audacious thinking, even if the design itself never came to fruition. His influence doesn't stop at flashy concepts. Musk is known for his deep dives into engineering specifics. He's notorious for sending late-night emails with technical suggestions, keeping Tesla's engineers on their toes, and sometimes fueling rumors of his workaholic tendencies. This hands-on approach ensures his vision translates into tangible features that define Tesla vehicles. But Tesla's not just about cars. Musk understands the importance of the entire ecosystem, the charging infrastructure, the supercharger network, the energy storage solutions with Tesla Powerwall. He's a vocal advocate for renewable energy, and Tesla's push for solar panels and battery storage solutions aligns perfectly with this vision. Of course, Musk's leadership style isn't without its critics. His use of social media can be impulsive, and his pronouncements can sometimes overshadow the work of Tesla's dedicated team. There have also been concerns about his workload. With so many ventures vying for his attention, can he truly give Tesla his all? Here's where things get interesting. Tesla has a unique leadership structure. The company boasts a strong team of experienced executives who handle day-to-day operations. This allows Musk the freedom to focus on his strengths, strategic vision, technological innovation, and public image. Think of him as the conductor of a complex orchestra, setting the overall tone and direction while trusting the talented musicians to execute the symphony. This approach has its merits. Musk's celebrity status keeps Tesla in the spotlight, attracting talent and investment. His relentless drive pushes the company forward, constantly innovating and disrupting the automotive industry. However, it's not without risk. Tesla is heavily reliant on Musk's persona. What happens if he steps away or faces setbacks with his other ventures? Could Tesla's success be tied too closely to one individual? The future remains to be written. But one thing's for sure, Elon Musk plays a vital role in Tesla's story. He's the visionary leader pushing the boundaries, the public face attracting attention, and the strategic thinker shaping the company's direction. Whether you're a fan or a critic, there's no denying his impact. Tesla wouldn't be where it is today without Elon Musk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.